I just needed 5 seconds to animate this composition. Normally that's 14 minutes of keyframing. Today I'm going to show you how to animate any layer in After Effects with one click, using the free version of MotionFlow. And if you want to animate an entire composition at once, I'll show you the paid version too. By the end of this video, you will know how to install MotionFlow for free, how to animate individual layers with 0 keyframes, and the one-click full composition trick only the paid version can do. Let's jump in. Animate text. Things are simple. You select a text layer, hover over the thumbnails to find an animation you like, and choose how the text animation will be applied, like affecting the characters one by one or animating them in groups by words or lines. Then you just click once, and the animation is applied instantly. In the same way, you can animate the next text layer. Select it and simply click. The animation will again be applied instantly. The cool part is that because we don't have keyframes, to adjust the animation duration, you just trim the in and out points of the layer without affecting the animation at all. This way, you can easily create an offset and make the scene feel more dynamic. The offset in the animation is important because it helps attract the viewer's attention. Using the same method, we can animate the rest of the text layers and create that offset as well. By the way, the scene feature creates this offset automatically, but we'll cover that later. For the secondary text layers, I'll apply some random free animations and quickly trim their duration to see how they react with the rest of the scene. I don't mind trying several options, because if I don't like an animation, I can easily find another one and reapply it without breaking anything in the scene. Everything is live and lightweight, with no rendering required and no need for an expensive machine. Now, let's try the objects. This works with any kind of layer and works the same way as with text. Select the layer, go to Objects, hover over the thumbnails to find what you like, and simply click once to apply it. You can instantly preview the result. As before, you can apply a preset to any layer. Keep in mind that these presets can't be applied directly to text, and the opposite is also true. The only way to use them on text is if the text layer is pre-composed. You can also apply another animation and choose whether it affects only the animation in, especially if your scene needs a hard cut at the end. Or you can choose to affect only the animation out if your scene starts with the animation already completed. Or even better, apply both and choose how you want to use them. The stagger option will help you find the right timing. And this is the final result, with no effort, no keyframes, and completely free. Now, let's see what the paid version includes and why it's worth it. As before, you need to sign in and have either a lifetime license or any Vidimize subscription to use the paid pro version. With the paid version, things are much more straightforward and super easy, especially if you have a large production workflow. So I'll go to the Scene feature, where I can choose the animation style, whether it affects the in animation, the out animation, or both, how the text will be animated, and the stagger. Then, inside the composition, I'll highlight all the layers I want to animate. If a layer has a path, MotionFlow will automatically create a special trim paths animation. Again, without keyframes. Then you click Animate Scene and wait less than a second. The Scene feature animates all the selected layers and also creates an offset between them. If you want a new animation with the same or a different style, make sure the layers are still selected, and the Scene feature will generate a completely new animation every time. Now let's go back to the previous animation and see how we can adjust it live and create a unique preset to use in the future. For starters, I'll find a new animation from the Pro version and apply it. The same way as before, select the layer and click. To adjust the animation, keep the layer selected and click Edit, where some sliders will appear. You can start tweaking the values for the in and out animations and see the results live until you create something you like. If you want to keep this animation for future use, click Save Preset, give it a name, and click Done. You can then find it in the My Presets tab for both text and objects. To apply it, as before, select a layer and click on the preset. The Edit feature works the same way for text. Select a text layer with an animation and click Edit. MotionFlow recognizes whether that text has a MotionFlow animation. Then you can start adjusting the sliders live until you get the result you want. If you want to return the scene to its original state without any animation, select all the layers, or just the layers you want to reset, and in the Scene tab, click Reset. That's it. Install MotionFlow for free and animate any layer with one click. Need to animate the entire scene? The Pro version has you covered. Link in the description. See you in the next one.